Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share a Kannur special recipe which is chicken kalmas. Kalmas is a Kannur special snack. Kalmas can be made with egg, chicken, beef and prawns. The preparation is very simple. Rice dough wrapped with a spicy chicken masala coated with chilli paste and shallow fried. First, let's make the chicken masala. For that, heat oil in a pan. Add 2 finely chopped red onions, and you can add little salt. That will speed up the process. Once the onion becomes soft, you can add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute until the fresh smell leaves. I'm adding 1 tablespoon mild pepper paste. You can add green chili chopped instead of that. This will give a nice color to the masala, and saute until the oil separates. Now you can add in Kashmiri chilli powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder, garam masala 1 teaspoon, chicken masala 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and mix it well for at least 1 minute. Add in the shredded chicken, which is cooked with salt, pepper powder and little turmeric powder. I cooked it in the instant pot. You can pressure cook it and keep it ready and make sure it's shredded well. Now mix in well with all the masala. Close the lid and cover and cook for at least 5 minutes until the mix is completely dry. You can adjust the seasoning at this point, and you can garnish with some coriander leaves and close the lid. Now the mix for the our kalmas is ready. You can turn off the flame and keep it aside. For the dough, we need 2 cups of patri flour, and I need 1 cup of shredded coconut, 8 shallots, 1¼ teaspoon of fennel seed and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and blend it well. The coconut mix you can mix with the rice flour, and you can add enough salt. You can mix this first with your hand before adding the water. You can pour boiled water little by little and mix it. And here I used like 2 cups of boiled water. You can adjust the water according to your rice flour consistency. Now you can cover and let the dough sit for at least 5 minutes. You need to mix the dough very well, otherwise the dough won't be perfect. The mixing is the very important part of this kalmas preparation. Grease your hands with a little oil and make small balls of the prepared rice mix. Pat them into small cups and you can add in the prepared chicken mix. Seal in the sides and roll them again in the shape of unnekayas. Similar way, you can make all the kalmas ready and keep aside. Now next step is to steam the prepared kalmas. For that you need to heat a steamer and you have to grease all the sides of the plate first, and then you can place the kalmas in the steamer and you can steam them for about 20 minutes over a moderate flame. After 20 minutes you can turn off the heat, and now our kalmas is steamed well and you can see there is no cracks and it cooked very well. The next step is to make a batter with Kashmiri chilli powder 1 tablespoon and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and water. Then you have to roll the kalmas in the batter and keep it aside. The final step is to shallow fry the rolled kalmas. For that we need to heat a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil, and now you can place all the rolled kalmas in the frying pan and shallow fry until they turn crispy on all sides. You can add some curry leaves and fry along with the kalmas, and once the kalmas is ready you can remove them from the oil and you can enjoy. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I hope you will try this special Kannur recipe at home and let me know your feedbacks, and I'll see you soon back with another video. Bye. Take care.